Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating paper on how to proactively defend against a new type of threat, cyber-cognitive attacks. In simple terms, these are attacks that use technology to exploit our psychological biases and manipulate how we think and make decisions. Emerging technologies like AI-driven disinformation and synthetic media, or deepfakes, have made these threats more powerful and harder to spot. The problem is that our defenses are usually reactive, meaning we only develop a solution after a new attack has already been used. This paper asks a crucial question: is it possible to predict the emergence of these new technologies and proactively design defenses against them? The researchers propose a novel methodology to do just that. Their method has two key parts, and the first is all about timing. By collecting data on 11 major disruptive innovations or DIs from 1971 to 2017, they created a timeline. These DIs include things we're all familiar with, like email, social media, and mobile apps. They then used a statistical model to see if there was a pattern. And there was a pattern. They found that a new major disruptive technology tends to emerge roughly every 4.5 years. This linear progression allows them to forecast when the next big threat might appear. But knowing when is only half the battle. They also needed a way to predict what the threat might look like. This led to their second model, which scores potential new technologies based on their disruptive attributes. They rate things like its ability to create new communication pathways, collect data, or target victims. If a technology's total score passes a certain threshold, it gets flagged as a potential future threat. Now for the most interesting part, validating the prediction. Their model indicated a new DI should have emerged around 2021, after the last data point in 2017. After looking at emerging tech, the researchers landed on a shocking candidate: robotic humanoids. These advanced, human-shaped robots, which can interact with us conversationally, fit the criteria for the next major disruptive threat. Once a potential threat like humanoid robots is identified, the final step is to design defenses. To do this, they look at historical DIs that have similar attributes. For example, the communication aspect of robots is similar to email, and their data collection is similar to tracking cookies. By studying how we defend against phishing emails and malicious apps, we can develop defenses for humanoid robots before they are ever used maliciously. So let's recap the key points. Cyberattacks targeting our minds are becoming more advanced, but we are no longer limited to just reacting to them. This research provides a framework to forecast both the timing and the nature of future threats. Their model highlights that one of the next major threats could be the malicious use of humanoid robots to manipulate people. By predicting these dangers, the cybersecurity community can build defenses proactively, keeping us all safer in the future. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.